Question number 1. Mitochondria is the organ for cellular respiration, cellular digestion, cellular death, cellular motility. Correct answer is option A. Mitochondrial is the organ for cellular respiration. Mitochondria utilize oxygen and carbohydrate and release carbohydrate and energy in the form of ATP. Cellular respiration as process such as Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation take place in mitochondria. Question number 2. The protruding invaginated seeds inside mitochondria is known as Christi, Fimri, Hyphae, cellular digestion. Correct answer is option A, Christi. Question number 3. The inner boundary membrane and inner crystal membrane are joined by mitochondrial junction, membrane junction, crystal junction, tubule junction. Correct answer is option C, crystal junction. Question number 4. Which part of mitochondria has almost 70 to 75% protein content? Outer membrane, inner membrane, both outer and inner membrane, intermembrane space. Correct answer is option B, inner membrane. Question number 5. Which part of mitochondria is responsible for the degradation of many enzymes? Mitochondrial matrix, Christi, inner membrane, outer membrane. Correct answer is option D, outer membrane. Question number 6. In the inner membrane of mitochondria, there is one protein molecule for approximately every 15 phospholipids, 25 phospholipids, 5 phospholipids, 10 phospholipids. Correct answer is option A, 15 phospholipids. Question number 7. Cardiolipin present in inner mitochondrial membrane play a role in formation of the respiratory mechanism, activation of protein involved in glycolysis, activation of protein involved in electron oxidation, activation of protein. Correct answer is option C, activation of protein involved in electron oxidation. Question number 8. Porins are present in inner membrane, outer membrane, both inner and outer membrane, intermembrane space. Correct answer is option C, both inner and outer membrane. Question number 9. The mitochondrial DNA in human encode for how many polypeptides? 15, 13, 12, 11. Correct answer is option B, 13. Question number 10. Human mitochondrial DNA encodes for 2 rRNAs, 3 rRNAs, 1 rRNA, 4 rRNAs. Correct answer is option A, 2 rRNA. Question number 11. Human mitochondrial DNA encodes for 21 tRNA, 31 tRNA, 22 tRNA, 24 tRNA. Correct answer is option C, 22 tRNA. Question number 12. The mitochondrial RNA polymerase is made up of 1 subunit, 2 subunit, 3 subunit, multiple subunit. Correct answer is option A, 1 subunit. Question number 30. Glycolysis take place in outer membrane of mitochondria, inner membrane of mitochondria, mitochondrial matrix, cytosol. Correct answer is option D, cytosol. Question number 40. The first stable compound of Krebs cycle is citrate, cis-aconitine, oxaloacetate, malate. Correct answer is option A, citrate. Question number 50. How many ATP molecules are produced per glucose molecules in eukaryotic glycolysis? 2 ATP, 3 ATP, 4 ATP, 6 ATP. Correct answer is option A, 2 ATP. Question number 60. How many ATP molecules are produced per Krebs cycle in eukaryotes? 2 ATP, 36 ATP, 38 ATP, 24 ATP. Correct answer is option D, 24 ATP. Question number 70. After glycolysis, which of the following is transported across the inner mitochondrial membrane into the matrix? pyruvate, acetyl-CoA, ATP molecules, coenzyme E. Correct answer is option A, pyruvate. Question number 80. The TCA cycle produces 2 NADH, 6 NADH, 8 NADH, 4 NADH. Correct answer is option B, 6 NADH. Question number 90. The TCA cycle produces 2 FADH2, 3 FADH2, 4 FADH2, 1 FADH2. Correct answer is option A, 2 FADH2. Question number 20. The TCA cycle produces 2 GTPs, 1 GTP, 3 GTP, 4 GTP. Correct answer is option A, 2 GTP.